welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching the video of Prabhu. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. And here is the attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of rooms is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, below the link in description.